Welcome all of you on platform of Europedia Education, the dedicated platform which is for the technocrats and is providing the different kind of informations related to career and exploration of various career domains. This my video is related to one such domain. I'm of the strong opinion that in future many students from India are going to join world top universities in the field of research and academics. Many of you who have joined master's courses, like example, if I give you, many of you who have joined master's courses in IITs, in NITs, for them it is a very natural to go into top 10, 20 universities of the world and see what the world over there is. And you know why I'm saying after masters? Because if you go after BTech, then to pursue masters, you may not get scholarship, and even if you get scholarship, it may be little lesser. But after masters, sufficient scholarship is obtained in PhD. So those of you who are doing masters in India and are dreaming of must dream to be in top 20 universities in the world, that this video I'm making for them. So this is my own experience. Sometime I will discuss with my own journey with you, like from where it all started. I have served in India also in many government organizations and went abroad also. This is my personal experience that nothing can be better in the field of engineering than to pursue a course from top 20 universities of the world, where your exposure you get to the academics and research is tremendous. The people you meet all over the globe, the personality transformation in the thinking, in attitude, it is not comparable. It cannot be compared. So you must step out and explore outside. That is what I believe. Anyway, I'm a diehard fan of Kalam Saab, and Dr. Kalam used to say that we must dream high, because unless until we will dream, we cannot achieve anything. And for you to basically achieve something, you need to dream first. You need to, this dream is not hypothetical thing. That simply means you need to believe it. Now many of you are from the very simple colleges, who have graduated from the simple colleges, and then they reached to the level of IITs for masters courses, to the ISCs, NITs, and then next target can be MIT, Stanford, Harvard. When I tell the students, my own students who have got into masters courses, when I tell them that next target can be MIT, they don't believe it. Unless until you believe it, it cannot be attained. And ask me, it's a very simple, not difficult thing. You need to have certain things with you, and you can land up yourself in these universities. And there are 100 plus universities in the world which are very, very good. I mean, I'll put at the same level. For example, if you ask me, sir, IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Madras, which one is good? I'll say there are some 20 universities in India where they're all equal. If you say IC Bangalore, I'm getting, I'll say good. Triple IT Hyderabad, I'm getting good. IIT Hyderabad, I'm getting good. So there, similarly, if India can have 20 good university for the technocrat, think of the world. In the world, there are 100 plus universities, whether they are in German, they are in UK, they are in Australia, they are in Canada, they are in USA. So these are world class institutes, and I'm of the opinion that you must spend a couple of years, 3 4 years, 2 3 years in these institutes, and that will transform your thinking, and you will be complete technocrat. So what are these universities? Big name. They should be in kitty, they should be in your own biodata. You should mention these in your own biodata. So you see, I will be discussing with you which are the top 10, which are the top 20, all these things I'm going to discuss with you in future, which universities in which country are you can go for. But there is a QS World University ranking also, and this QS world ranking is as per the course. If you are pursuing course in medical science or management or engineering, that is one ranking. And another, if you are in engineering, then which university can be good for you, that is also the ranking is there. So for example, 10 universities for engineering and technology domain as per QS ranking can be MIT, Stanford, Berkeley, Harvard, Georgia Tech, Carnegie Mellon, and all these Princeton universities. They can be world over. they can be different universities. When we talk about civil and structural engineering, no sir, I am from civil engineering, I've done my masters, I've done my MTech in structural engineering. Now suggest me some universities. So there are universities, and all I keep on telling you, remember when I told you how to get into IIT for MS courses and all. And similarly, it is not difficult, you know, the way you were getting low gate score 45 marks, okay, BTech CGPA was 8.5, you could land up in IIT Madras MS course in structural engineering. Now I'm saying MIT is also very close. We will have certain particular CGPA, some GRE, some letter of recommendation, some research proposal, and we will end up in these universities also. So what are these universities for civil and structural engineering, the domain QS ranking? So these universities, you know, MIT, it can be Berkeley, Stanford, again more or less the same kind of universities you can get it. If you talk about electrical engineering and other same kind of universities you can get, or there can be different universities also. First 5 6 are same, but the moment you go little below, let's say, don't tell me first 5 universities of the world, don't tell me first 20 also, tell me first 50. So I'm ready even to go up to 100. Who will not go to National University Singapore? That offers a great career. So these are the also universities. All we need to do is we need to know that as a student of particular, let's say manufacturing engineering, I've done my MS in aeronautics, sir, I've done my masters in aeronautics. Now suggest me which university should I go. Okay, then why don't you go to University of Michigan? It is very good, you know, and Arbor May, it is Michigan University, very very good university for aerospace, pursuing the course in aerospace. That is also good, you know. Similarly, if you say electrical engineering, or for that matter, let's say mineral and mining, many of you have joined ISM Dhanbad, you know, ISM Dhanbad, and pursuing the course of mining. So sir, I want to go for now PhD in mining and become the global leader in this particular domain. Okay, then why don't you go to Colorado School of Mines? Yes, Colorado School of Mines is very good for you. I mean, Pennsylvania State University, University of Arizona is very good. Virginia Polytechnic Institute, University of Colorado can be very good for you. So I know many students who have done very good courses. They've joined mining courses, MTech in mining, 2 years. I don't know what they're putting effort in which direction. But if you put your direction that I will one day join Colorado Schools of Mines, from where once I get PhD, my career is really safe, secure, and grow on the growth trajectory. So why don't we do that? You need to dream high. So you need to have these, you know, in your room. You need to put these figures in your room. MIT, how MIT looks like, sir. Okay, one day I'm going to join this college. Stanford, oh beautiful, so I would like to go one day there. Okay, this is why can't I go to Harvard? I need to join Harvard one day. I will go there. Okay, University of Oxford, very very old university, you know, legacy of British Empire you can see there. Imperial College London, so who would not like to go there in these domains? So let me tell you, the purpose of this my video was, let's think big, let's make a dent. Let's see after a couple of years, whenever somebody looks top 20 university, 50 universities, Indians should be there as professors, as faculty. And believe me, if you dream, if you have self belief, if you imagine yourself in MIT someday, someday you will be there. If you imagine yourself in that university, someday you will be there. But you need to take first step. For dream to be true, you need to dream first. That is the meaning of it. So all of you who are doing masters, dream big, and it will be someday fulfilled. Very easy path, you need to stick to that, and we'll get there. Thank you.